Good morning, fellow Forex traders. It is Wednesday, October the 8th at 8:22 Central Standard Time here in the Midwest, good old St. Joe, Missouri. My name is Mr. Mike, and this is my news analysis and Forex market analysis for today. As you can see here, we're talking about the US dollar, and as we were saying yesterday, it looked like it was going down. It's kind of iffy at this point, kind of going up and down. I still believe that the US dollar is still kind of strong. It will be for a while. Well, currently it's down 0.7%, so it is struggling a little bit right now during these pre-market hours that's going on. Let's look over here at the FinViz, and as you can see here, the euro is pretty dominant right now. We've got the Canadian, British pound, and then the US dollar. So there is some of this fluctuation that's going on currently during the pre-market hours. I believe we might end up having a better day with the stock market than we did yesterday, and also with the dollar. I believe what's going on is just a little correction phase. It's going down a little bit before it's going to go back up. But I do believe at this point that the dollar is not going to be the dominant currency anymore. It'll stay strong for us here in the U.S. economy, and it'll stay strong for us, with Christmas and holiday sales coming up. So it'll still be okay, but I don't think the dominance of the U.S. dollar, as we've had all this past summer, is going to continue. Let's go ahead and look at the MetaTrader here program and see what we have. This is what I'm talking about. If you look at all the way I have my screen here set up, the Aussie US, you can see we're now on the day it has turned, it's come up. Now, same as with the euro and British pound, New Zealand dollar. So there is a little bit of a correction going on. I believe that the US dollar, the Aussie US, might get up to this point here on the 0.88750. And we're going to have to wait and see what happens then. If the dollar is going to continue to weaken, then there would be a cross of these two moving averages, and the Aussie will then become more dominant. But that's what I'm saying. If we see the patterns here, it looks like everything's laid out. The same with the US dollar and so forth. It'll come to this point where the second moving average is, the sell moving average that I have set up on my trading system. And it'll probably hit that point and then continue back down throughout the rest of the year till December. I think this is just, fluctuation in the market. It may not even reach the moving average, but that is my calculations for this. Now for the US Canadian, US West, US Japanese, again, here it is. It's heading down now. I think I reached the moving average here, the sell moving average on US Canadian, US West. And again, it'll probably end up going back up. Now we were talking about, again, with the US Japanese. As you can see here on the US Japanese, it is more of a closing gap that we're seeing. I believe that the US Japanese, the Japanese yen, is continuing to gain in strength. It is the more dominant currency now with some of the other currencies. If you look at the British pound Japanese yen, the euro Japanese yen, the Canadian Japanese yen, the Danish Japanese yen, the yen is now the dominant currency in those different trades, according to the trading report and the trading analysis that I use. There's been crossovers of the moving averages, and things continue to go down. We'll just look at the evaluation that we have here with the actual currency strength that we have going on right now. And the current dominant is, like I said, right here is the Japanese yen. If you see the yellow, the Japanese yen is currently the dominant. The US dollar, as it's gone in the past few hours here, it's gone down. But if you look at on the day average, it is still pretty dominant. It had its past 24 hours when it went down. It's going up, down, and now it's kind of heading back up. So that's what I'm saying. There's fluctuation going on right now within the US dollar and with the value and the strength of it. Japanese yen is up. We still have the Canadian dollar has gone down in weakness. Let me see the euro. The euro is kind of somewhat on top. It's like maybe the dominant currency that is going on right now. So this is the currency strength that we have currently with this. That's all I have for the news reports right now. If you'd like to learn more about how I trade and how I learned how to trade with the Forex market, there's a great website that I would like to send you to, and you just click on that link down below the video. That would take you to learn how to trade the Forex like the way I've learned how to trade the Forex. I've also come up with my own trading plan, and I don't know, I might, if some people are interested in wanting to know about my trading plan, the personal moving averages I use, and other indicators that I use, give me a call, send me an email, and we'll see what we can work out. This is Mr. Mike, and thank you for listening to this early market report on Wednesday, October the 8th. Have a good day trading. Bye for now.